My dear student, yesterday I have shown that how to solve a quadratic equation by method of completing square. Now today the statement sum of quadratic equation. Okay, statement sum of quadratic equation. Now statement sum already you have started. Okay, and I have explained also that quadratic equation can be solved by factorization method, can be solved by completing square. Okay. Now last we have done statement sum by factorization method. Now here actually it is not necessary that you have to solve only by completing square. You can do by factorization method as well, because in exam it will not be mentioned the statement sum you have to solve by completing square or factorization method. Whichever method you find easier, you can solve it. Okay. So statement sum, I have shown you that quadratic equation and linear equation in two variables. So sometime that most of the statement sum can be solved by two variable as well, and also by single variable also. Whenever we will solve by single variable, it will be a quadratic equation, and when you will solve by two variable, it will be linear equation of two variable. Okay. Now let's see. Very first question. That is, in a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got 2 more marks in mathematics and 3 more marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in 2 subjects. 2 subjects. Okay. So let's see. So here also you can take 2 variable as well. 2 variable, that means suppose marks obtained in mathematics be x and marks obtained in English be y. But instead of that, we have to do by quadratic equation. So let's see. Let marks obtained, question number 5. Marks obtained marks obtained in mathematics be x, and marks obtained in English be 30 minus x. Now according to question, what is that? If two more marks in mathematics, that means x plus 2, and 3 more marks less in English, that is 30, minus x minus 3 equal to 210. Then implies x plus 2, 27 minus x equal to 210. Then what is that? 27x plus 54 minus x square minus twice x equal to 210. Implies, see, 25x plus 54 minus x square equal to 210. Implies x square, then minus 25x, then plus, so 156 equal to 0. Then x square equal to minus 13x minus 12x plus 156. I have already explained that under what condition it will be, both will be minus sign, and how to break up also. Then at the end, if you solve, then at the end you will get x minus 13 and x minus 12 equal to 0. Then either x minus 13 equal to 0 implies x equal to 13, or x minus 12 equal to 0 implies x equal to 12. That means both the values are correct. Okay. So if marks obtained in maths is 13, then marks obtained in English is how much? 17. If marks obtained in maths is 12, then marks obtained in English will be 18. Okay. This will be your answer. So at the end you have to write two answers. Remember, marks obtained in maths either 13 or 12, and marks obtained in English either 17 or 18. Okay, clear? Okay. Now next one. Please copy. Then next, let's see. Next one, please. Now next, see question number 6. 6. What is that? Diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 more than diagonals of a rectangular field. So rectangle you draw. Diagonal you draw. Now diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 more than the shorter side. Suppose shorter side x, then x plus 60. And longer side is 30 more than the shorter side, so x plus 30. Okay, so then let, so which is dependent? This is dependent, independent, and the other two are dependent. So let shorter side be x meter, diagonal be x plus 60 meter, and long line side be x plus 30 meter. Now obviously this is a Pythagoras theorem. So then according to question, what is that? You see, x square plus x plus 30 whole square equal to x plus 60 whole square. Then the remaining part you solve by yourself. So please write down that one at the earliest. Okay, so this is the problem. Okay, now next is that a train travels at a speed of 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km more, it would have been taken one or less for the time. Now you know